correct.
How long have you had those?
Several years.
Several years, yeah, and they're getting larger and darker, aren't they? Okay, these are actinic keratoses, so the way we treat these is with some liquid nitrogen, and we do a little spray, and we should make these go away. Gonzo, I'm going to trade places with you. How are you today, Miss Gonzo?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're Pablo. She's Gonzo.
Oh, she's...
Yeah, I know.
I'm so hungry.
Nobody has a correct name. All right, I want you to close your eye tightly for me. We're going to do the bottom one first. Ready? A little bit there. One more on the top. Ready? Close that eye tightly. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through 2 complete freeze-thaw cycles. Comprende? You understand? Okay. I know your English is very good, but it's not your first language. It's your second language, right?
Right.
My second language is, I don't know. I don't have a second language. Spanish a little bit. Un poquito español. Gonzo, what have you been up to lately?
No,
You ready for Christmas yet? Thanksgiving? What do you get me for my birthday?
I'm not supposed to tell you.
Okay, there better be a gift or else.
No, there's no gift for you.
All right, let's see if these have thawed out by now. But what these are going to do, they'll kind of swell up a little bit. They'll get angry for a few days. They'll turn red, and then they'll
talk to you.
They'll dry up a little bit, and then they'll just peel off.
To say
Okay, you got it, Pablo?
Okay,
They just kind of peel off.
All right, thank you.
I'm just feeling them to make sure they're thawed.
While you're talking about doing that again, I have a story for you, but you keep doing that.
Okay, you ready to get sprayed?
Right.
All right, close that eye tightly.
So I went to Jack in the Box the other day with Mr. Gonzo.
You good?
And the guy goes, "Do you want any sauce?" And I said, "Yes, fire."
Fire.
Yeah, but there's a problem.
What?
Jack in the Box doesn't carry fire sauce. They only carry hot sauce.
Right.
I said fire. Mr. Gonzo repeats it, tells
Fire.
the guy, and the guy starts looking for fire sauce. And then he's like, "Oh, wait, what's fire sauce?" Fire sauce only comes in Taco Bell, not Jack in the Box.
Right.
But Dodo Head was still looking for it.
Well,
Yeah, that
at
was
least
nice
he let
story.
you know the correct answer. Tell us something.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and I take Dr. G's Meta 7.
This right here?
I've been taking it since,
Yeah.
for 1 month, actually.
Okay. And
And I really enjoy it because it activates my life, just like it says. I have lots of energy.
you do have more energy.
And yes, a lot
And
more
you're
energy.
taking it as part of a weight loss program, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now we have lost some weight, but we're not going to attribute all of that to the Meta 7 because we use something else to help. But the good thing is while you're losing weight, you still have lots of
Energy.
yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. And I like to swim, and so it's great because I can swim extra long because of the Meta 7. I really, really enjoy it.
Awesome.
So, yes,
Thanks.
you're welcome.